because that mortar has really eaten at that finish on there. It's been sitting there too long. Check this out. All right, y'all, so I had to double back to a project we did about last weekend or something, weekend before last, with these windows right here, man. We're gonna pay close attention to getting this mortar off, and we're gonna use one restore. Because of the glass and because of the aluminum, we're gonna use one restore to get rid of all this mortar and stuff right here. They just did some work or something, or brickwork or something around here. They opened up and added some windows. I don't know what they did, but anyway, don't start me to speculating. But anyway, we're here to get it off. There's a total of 8 windows total, 4 in the front and 4 on the back side, or 2 on the back side, sorry. All right, first step is to pre-wet everything, man. Pre-wet everything, the area around it. Pre-wet everything. Come over here to this side, pre-wet. Truck is down there somewhere. All right, now we're gonna pump this up. This is one restore. Make sure it's sealed. It's wet. I'm gonna do from the bottom up. Come on. This stuff is good on aluminum, windows, glass. It won't hurt it. When you put it on, don't let it dry. And good products make all the difference in the world. Let's go back and double coat this. Right here on the side, look at the reaction. We literally lifted all the mortar up, all the hard spots, but it literally ate through the aluminum. He did mention that they were going to paint it, but I got it off the glass. So for me, it's a win. All right, y'all, all done. Turned out pretty good. They're gonna paint the metal trim because that mortar has really eaten at that finish on there. It's been sitting there too long. Check this out. No more mortar on the glass at all. I think that's paint or something right there. Caulk, I don't know. Some of the windows gonna have to be replaced because of the hard water stain. Yeah, we could have got those off, but we didn't come here for that. We came here to get the mortar off the windows.